I developed the business branding online portfolio class with the goal of really taking my graphic design students to the next level in honing their talents and developing their skills. The projects that I assign really propel them forward in finding their own unique style. Early on, I show them how to take the digital designs they create and use Photoshop mock-ups to display their work professionally as it would exist in the real world, and display how it would look printed professionally or mass-produced. We design patterns, for example, and then I show them techniques of how to put their patterns on a phone cover or other product so that the client has an idea of how their work might function realistically in the world. This establishes them as credible professionals to potential clients and employers that look at their portfolio of work. In the Illustrator Business Branding Portfolio class, students not only develop quality portfolios of work, they establish themselves as industry professionals, and they build their own brand as professional designers. By the end of the course, students will have a professional display of their portfolios live online on their own websites. I will be teaching all the free tools to create your own website through WordPress.com. In this class, I teach professional logo development, how to design a logo that makes an impact. Students really build a design brand for themselves, from the logo design to the business card layouts, complete with a QR code, so that potential clients or employers will have immediate access to their portfolio websites in the palm of their hands on their mobile devices. I teach the strategies to build a client base and a greater online presence. I show my students how to connect their social media to their WordPress sites so that they reach all of their important connections with one click when they post relevant information about themselves as designers and their latest work. I'm so rewarded to see my students building their confidence to go out into the world and fulfill their greatest dreams as they build their professional design portfolios. This class has been traditionally a live in-person in the classroom class, but in the face of this COVID-19 pandemic, I have taken the opportunity to reinvent the Illustrator course to make it even more far-reaching and engaging to students in this difficult time. I'm doing my best to provide the top quality education to those who are struggling to better their lives and find rewarding careers at a time when jobs are scarce. We are resilient and we are making the best of a bad situation. This has become a unique opportunity to our students thanks to the support of Adobe and Zoom. Zoom has offered teachers free accounts, so now I can give live interactive video lessons during my regular class times. I'm also able to record those lessons, so I provide all of the videos of my live lessons to my students for future reference. Adobe has offered free access to all of their Creative Cloud products to my students. Join us during this unique time in our history and take this as a great opportunity to build the career of your dreams.